Hi everyone, my name is Sabrina and you're on my YouTube channel, and today I'll show you a very profitable strategy that I developed with my society of traders. So by the way, if you leave me a message with a code word plus VIP, you can get into this society and all your trades can be successful one day. So that Peter did. So he did his first 1,000 with me, with my signals, with my strategies. So why are you still with zero balance? Just follow the link in the description and I'm waiting for you there. Well, trader, here we are on the broker side. Today I will work with such currency pairs, and I'll also be using indicator like the ZIGZAG and the DeMarker. But before I start trading, I want to set up a few things. First of all, let's click here, click styles and choose white color. Now our ZIGZAG indicator is white in color. It makes it look much better. And I have $5 on my balance right now. And let's start trading and choose the first currency pair. Wow, trader! Just look at that, just a perfect downtrend. In this case, we're going to open a down trade, of course, and we've got a local high at that point, and the chart is going down. That is now, there is a downtrend. Also, it can be seen on the indicator DeMarker. Indicator has gone beyond the oversold area and it will also move down. There is still a lot of time before the end of the trade. So let me tell you briefly about the DeMarker indicator. My point is that many people ask me how to use it and what is it. And there are two ranges, 70 and 30. The area of 70 is called the overbought area and the area of 30 is called the oversold area. If the indicator goes beyond the 30 zone, will be a price pullback and the chart will go up. And if it goes beyond the 70 zone, the same thing happens but in the opposite direction. There's also a 1 yuan. There's also an area of 50. It's not on the chart, it's just imaginary line, and if the chart doesn't break through it, it rolls down. There isn't much time left till the end of our trade, and let's look how the chart is moving. And just remind you, I opened a trade for a full 5 minutes. There is a very good for us as we can keep eye on the trade. Well, trader, let me remind you once again about my private Telegram channel with signals. If you write me the code word plus social trading, you can get into it. Because there is a trade every weekday and I post signals and traders successfully open trade on my signals. And you might remember that I told you about Peter, who went from 50 to 1,000 and how you're different from Peter. So you can also write me and become a member of my team. Start making money with the right now. And we're still in a downtrend. The chart is still going down. So far it's going like I predicted. Today I'm going to be looking at 5 currency pairs and I'm going to be opening some very interesting trades today, so I suggest you watch all the way though. Did you notice how this candlestick is moving? It's moving up. Oh, it's moving down. But it's still below the opening zone of the trade. So it's still indicating the positive close, and just look at what this candle is doing. It breaks a new local low and the chart starts to move up. There is only a little time left until the end and of the trade, and literally less than a minute, and let's watch. And we have literally a few seconds left until the close, and the trade closes in the positive, and our profit is $4.25. And I want to put the maximum trade amount for the first currency pair. And we immediately open a down trade, and we immediately observe the downtrend. Now the local maximum is finally formed, so the chart will go down. There was a touch in the overbought area, so the chart will go down. And so to summarize, I open a trade for the price decrease for 4 minutes, and the time frame is very good. And let's watch what will happen next. As you can see, from the moment of opening our deal, the candle has grown upwards quite well, and the next candle has grown downwards even better for me. And if it's good, because we say that it's closed in our favor. And of course, the percentage of the currency pair is 57%, but we opened when the percentage was 54, but it's better to choose a currency pair where the percentage is as high as possible. I think from 70%. This is just my free advice for all beginner traders. Also, if you're a beginner trader, you can also come to my free Telegram channel and write a code word plus social trading, and you'll get into a private Telegram channel with the signals. And there every weekday put out signals on which you can profitably open trades. All stories and reviews you can also find in my Telegram channel, so follow the link in the description. And before the end of our deal is about how the time. And now there is a situation that is just perfect for me now. There is a reforming similar situation was on previous currency pair before the end of the local maximum was formed. That is, now there is a downtrend. Just look at how the candles all in a row go down. It's a shame we opened the trade at 54%. That's why our last currency pair will be at 80%. And the end of the trade is just seconds away. Well, our trade is closing in plus, and profit is $16.26, and I'm putting my maximum balance again, and I'm only putting the time frame on 1 minute. And let's move on to the last currency pair for today. This currency pair is just perfect for us. Let's open a trade on the downside, and I want to draw your attention to the fact that we have now formed a local maximum. Now the trend is changing and the chart will go down. Also, I want to know that the overbought area has been touched. This also indicates that the chart will go down, and I remind you that the trade was opened for 1 minute for the maximum amount. 1 minute time frame is dangerous because things can change dramatically at the last second. But yeah, you can notice the candle is really very well and confidently moving down. Just the maximum success we have opened. There isn't much time left until the end of my deal. And the most important things now, the current candle closed in the lower position. And the candle closed in the lower position, but the next candle is already going up, and there is 1 second left till the end of the trade, and our trade closed in plus $37.10, and the balance now just $83.50. So trader, we have now from $5 managed to earn almost 100, and just a few minutes of time. Now let's withdraw our funds. First, we need to click on the dollar icon, then click on withdrawal, then choose the curse USDT, and I put on the balance of $10, and the rest of the money I'll withdraw. Why I click on continue, and as you can see, the withdrawal has already come. And before I say goodbye, I just want to remind you about my special code word plus social trading. If you wanna change your life to the better side, just write me All links just in the description, and I'm waiting exactly for you. Thank you all for watching. Bye.